Hey, what's up people? Welcome to PyTroops. Today we are gonna talk about message boxes in Tkinter Python. So let's get started. So friends, this is our typical window, and in message boxes we have different types. Let me show you. These are the different types like show info, show warning, show error, ask question, ask okay or cancel. These are the types of message boxes. Which type of message box you want? So let's just quickly create a button. Okay, so btn1 is for button 1 is equals to button where we want, definitely on our main window. So window comma text should be, let's say we use for first message box, so let's say show info because it is for show info. So show info comma command is equals to let's say pass right now. Okay, dot pack. Now we have to create a message box, but before we are going to message box we have to import it from Tkinter. Import message box, so it will import the message boxes from Tkinter library. Now let's just quickly make a function def pop, and in this function we are going to create a message box. So let's say m1 is for message box 1, so m1 is equals to message box dot, and which function we want to use right now. Here we want show info, so the first one, so we have to find show info and then just add a title, which is the title of your message box. So what is the title of your message box? Showing info, let's say. And what is the main content in the info? Let's say welcome to PyTroops. And now dot pack. Oh, actually we don't need to pack the message boxes because it is just a message, so we don't need to pack it. Now just pass the command here, which is the pop. On clicking the button, the pop function will run, and now just quickly run the program. And okay, so here is a window show info. If I click the button, so here you get the message box. There is a title showing info and welcome to PyTroops, the main content. Okay, so okay, let's move to the next, which is the show warning. So let's just copy this function and paste it here, and let's change the name of the function. Let's say pop1, and remain this m1 and message box dot show warning. This time we have one warning, so show warning. Now here show warning a title, and let's say we have to warn about what we have to write here. Okay, let's say want to open this window. I don't know what I'm writing, but it's just example. So want to open this window. And now just quickly make another button for this message box. So let's just copy this one and make it here, and this is the button 2 now, and the text should be show warning, and the command is pop 1 right here, show warning and pop 1. Now just quickly run the program. So I have 2 buttons now, show warning, so here is the warning, showing warning, want to open this window, show info, so this is the info box. Okay, now let's just move the other one, move to another one, which is the show error, and just copy this and paste it here. Let's change it to pop 2, and message box dot, instead of show warning we have to write show error. Okay, now let's just change this to show error and print it here. Let's say error 404. This is the main error we got anytime. So error 404. Now just quickly make another button, just copy this, and in the next line paste it, button 3 and show error, and the command is pop 2. Now just run the program. We have 3 buttons now. If I click the show error, so it is the error button. You can see the symbol of error or showing error. So this is the error box now. Okay, let's move to another one, which is the ask question. Just copy this whole thing and paste it here, and change it to pop 3 3 or 4 whatever it is and ask question. Okay, now here just try it asking. I think it's okay for differentiate. Okay, asking and ask the question, are you like PyTroops question mark. Okay, now we have to do something different here. Just to go to the next line, and okay, first we have to create a button. So let's just create a button. Let's copy this and paste it here, and this is the button 4, and asking, because it's asking for questions, so asking and pop 3. Now we are going to do something different here. Now on the next line we have a condition. We have to put a condition if m1 which is asking question. In the question we have yes or no. Okay, asking question, maybe it is yes or no. So if m1 double equals to yes, then we are going to print a label. Okay, yes, then we are going to print a label. Where we want a label? We want it on our window, comma, text should be okay. The question is, are you like PyTroops? So if yes, then our feedback is thanks for liking us. Okay, thanks for liking us. Okay, so and the background color should be yellow because our window is yellow color. Okay, done. Dot pack. And the next condition, which is else, means if you click on no, then the label should be on window and the text should be tell us what should be improved for you guys. Okay, so let's just quickly create this, and background, definitely background is equals to yellow. Background is equals to yellow. Dot pack. This typing mistake. Okay, dot pack. Now just run the program, and if I run the program, so now we have 4 buttons. Click on asking. If I okay, this question mark type to use, see here, because it's the asking box. If I click on yes, are you like PyTroops? Yes, thanks for liking us. Again, if I press no, so tell us what should be improved for you guys. So that's how you can create labels, or you can use data according to your need. And now let's quickly make the last one. So copy paste it and just name it to pop 4. This is the ask okay or cancel. Ask okay cancel. No? So this is the ask okay cancel, and asking, let's remain asking, and the thing we are going is, do you want to continue? This is the asking question. Okay, do you want to continue? If m1 double equals to, okay, now here you have to write on or off type, like 1 or 0. If 1, it means you click on OK. So if m1 is equals to 1 means you click on OK. Then the label should be, let's say the label should be okay, we are gonna continue. Okay, this is the label. I'm just giving an example. You can do it according to your need. Okay, we are going to continue. So, and else means if 0, or if you cancel if you click on the cancel button, then the label should be, let's say what it should be. Okay, let's say, okay, you can leave. I don't know what I'm typing, it's just example. Okay, so now if I have to create another button for this function. So let's just create a function button 5, and asking, let's say pop 4, the def is pop 4, and now just run the program. Asking, do you want to continue? And this is the question mark type logo here. Okay, if I press on OK, we are going to continue this session, and if I press cancel, then okay, you can leave. So that's how you create message boxes. There are one or two more types of message boxes. You can definitely discover them. Okay, so hopefully you understand how to create message boxes in Tkinter Python. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon so you will get the notification whenever we upload a video. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You will get the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.